Indian households are the best examples of sustainability. हम कोई चीज वेस्ट नहीं करते, कोई भी चीज. Look at your mom. She is not going to waste a single thing. आखिरी drop of coconut oil is also used. Right?
Absolutely. Story of a
The t-shirt that you wore once, ultimate use उसका mopping तक उसका use आप कर रहे हो. Right? We are ultimate examples of it. Just we have forgotten it. We have moved towards consumerism, wherein we're just hoarding stuff and don't know how to use it. People ask me, one of the moms were asking me कि कौन सा bag shopping के लिए मैं use करूँ for my daughter. I was like, whatever bag you have with you is the best bag. Why are you going to buy another bag for shopping? चाहे वो प्लास्टिक हो, चाहे वो कॉटन हो, चाहे वो पेपर बैग हो. Everything is going to be in the landfill if you do not use it. If you have a plastic polythene bag with you, try use it as many times as possible. पेपर बैग भी कितनी बार आप यूज करते हो, फिर आप उसको फाड़ कर फेंक देते हो. उसके अंदर भी प्लास्टिक कोटिंग लगा होता है बिकॉज इट हैज टू बी ड्यूरेबल. सो अल्टीमेटली इट इज कमिंग टू द लैंडफिल. कॉटन बैग को बनाने में, उसकी प्रोडक्शन में इतना इट इज नॉट इको फ्रेंडली एट ऑल. इतना पोल्यूशन तो उसी में क्रिएट हो जाता है.
cotton bags.
कॉटन बैग्स, कॉटन की फार्मिंग में कितना पानी लगेगा. थिंक अबाउट दैट. सो वट एवर बैग्स यू हैव, यूज देम. वट एवर बॉटल्स, प्लास्टिक का बॉटल उसको फेंकना समझदारी नहीं है. दैट इज नॉट सस्टेनेबिलिटी कि आई विल नाउ बाय अ ग्लास बॉटल. यूज द प्लास्टिक बॉटल टू द अल्टीमेट. ऑप्टिमम यूसेज करिए उसकी जो आपके पास है. नई चीजें खरीदने से, सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट खरीदने से आप सस्टेनेबल नहीं बनेंगे. जो आपके पास है उसको सस्टेनेबली यूज करने से आप सस्टेनेबल बनेंगे. एंड दैट्स माई एडवाइस एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डू ऑल्सो. इफ आई हैव समथिंग आई विल यूज इट टू द लास्ट ऑफ इट. राइट? एंड मे बी ट्राई टू रिपेयर इट. जूता टूट गया तो रिपेयर करा लो. उसको मेड को देना समझदारी नहीं है. राइट? She is not going to wear the same shoe size that you wear. I'm sorry. Repair it. Reuse it. There are so many dresses that my daughter wears are made out of my saris and my dadi's and my mother's saris. Because every time on an occasion, if you're buying a new thing, you're also telling your child that for every occasion and every festival, you have to buy a new thing. My daughter is very sustainable.
I think this is something from our generation can relate to it very much because this is something which was story in our homes.
Yes.
From a t-shirt becoming to a mop, from repairing our shoes, something. It is still a part of our homes.
Yes.
Probably the very young generation, that is something. Sustainability is also being marketed in a way in our minds that we have to buy eco-friendly products to be sustainable.
Sorry, that's not the way. That's not sustainability. Does not mean that you're going to buy a glass bottle or any other sustainable product. The t-shirt that you wear, the bottle that you use, the bag that you have at home is the thing that you are going to use. प्लास्टिक की बॉटल को फेंक के ग्लास बॉटल खरीदना सस्टेनेबिलिटी थोड़ी है. आपने तो लैंडफिल करा. So that's the thing. Yes, if you're buying a lot of books, switch to ebooks. Right? That's a small thing. So if I have to buy a new book, I would rather buy a Kindle version of it instead of buying the hard copy. Right? That okay, let's not, something that I do for myself कि okay, ये थोड़ा eco-friendly हो जाएगा कि मैं online ही पढ़ लूँगी उसे. Right? That's a small thing. But other changes, I think we don't need to make substantial changes to become sustainable.